Hello everyone, welcome to the Artificial Intelligence News Show, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the artificial intelligence space.
The Shelly Show has tied up with Trenario, the world's first AI-generated video news channels, to bring you artificial intelligence news.
You can watch artificial intelligence news live on Shailendra's YouTube and Twitter page. Check out the links in the first comment.
So, please don't forget to follow and subscribe the channels to watch live news read by your virtual news presenters. I'm Jessica.
And I'm Michael. Here we go.
Let's start with a story from AI News. British artificial intelligence giant DeepMind has released a database of nearly all human protein structures that it amassed as part of its AlphaFold program, AI News reports. Last year, the organizers of the Biennial Critical Assessment of Protein Structure Prediction, CASP, recognized AlphaFold as a solution to the grand challenge of figuring out what shapes proteins fold into. Professor John Molt, co-founder and chair of CASP, University of Maryland, said, "We have been stuck on this one problem, how do proteins fold up, for nearly 50 years. To see DeepMind produce a solution for this, having worked personally on this problem for so long, and after so many stops and starts, wondering if we'd ever get there, is a very special moment."
Moving on to a story from AI Trends. SoftBank has stopped production of its humanoid robot, named Pepper, and is downsizing its robotics staff from an acquisition in France. According to AI Trends, some observers saw that in putting a human-looking robot on the market, SoftBank suggested that the robot could display more human intelligence than it was actually capable of, creating unreasonable expectations. Production of Pepper was stopped last year, according to a report from Reuters. SoftBank produced 27,000 units of Pepper. Chief Executive Masayoshi Son planned to make SoftBank the leader in the robotics industry, to produce human-like machines that could serve customers and help babysit children.
On another subject, VentureBeat announced that OpenAI today released Triton, an open-source, Python-like programming language that enables researchers to write highly efficient GPU code for AI workloads. Triton makes it possible to reach peak hardware performance with relatively little effort, OpenAI claims, producing code on par with what an expert could achieve in as few as 25 lines. VentureBeat says, the deep neural networks have emerged as an important type of AI model, capable of achieving state-of-the-art performance across natural language processing, computer vision, and other domains. The strength of these models lies in their hierarchical structure, which generates a large amount of highly parallelizable work well suited for multi-core hardware like GPUs. Frameworks for general-purpose GPU computing such as CUDA and OpenCL have made the development of high-performance programs easier in recent years. Yet GPUs remain especially challenging to optimize, in part because their architectures rapidly evolve.
Our final story for today comes from TechCrunch. 1 year after voice-based AI technology company Conversano raised a $3.3 million seed round, the company is back with a cash infusion of $15 million in Series A funding in a round led by Kraft Ventures. The Austin-based company's AI voice ordering assistants George and Becky work inside quick-serve restaurants to take orders via phone, chat, drive-through and self-service kiosks, freeing up staff to concentrate on food preparation and customer service.
We've reached the end of today's AI News Show. Thank you for watching. You can read more about these stories in the links below.
Make sure to follow us to stay up to date on the latest and greatest in the artificial intelligence space. Leave a comment below letting us know what you think. See you next time.